ride. Girl, the trip, making her trip. Link up my let's link up. I done start by.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to Can't Wheelie Bro. If you're new here, please check my other videos out and subscribe if you like. I try to upload pretty regularly, so there's always something new. Anyways, today I'm going to a little tiny parking lot that I'll probably be asked to leave from, but I'm kind of on a time crunch. I really don't have much time before I have to go to work. This really isn't ideal. There's a lot of crap everywhere. What you don't want is to have a clutch up over here and then grab you a handful of gravel there. Your boy's a little rusty in the lot. Tire's got quite a bit of air in it. There's a lot of crap in this parking lot. I've got like one little strip right here that I can work with, and that's really it. Oh, shit. Whoa. Well, that definitely could have went wrong. I think I've definitely got my low end power back though. Damn fuzz. See, this is what I don't like right there. That stuff will get you in trouble. I don't want to do that though. Oh, yep, definitely not. I don't know if she thinks it's cool or if she's calling the cops. I feel like I'm new in the lot again. I'm definitely suffering from the amount of time that I haven't been in the lot. Oh yeah, she's getting too hot anyways. Wow. It had power today, shit. And there it didn't. I need this traffic to work for me though. See, it won't even go to red line. RIP. Anyways guys, until next time, thanks for stopping by. Can't Wheelie Bro out.